Here we have a KENWOOD 8021 and we've just installed it into this Vauxhall Vivaro, and also we've done a rear camera and a screen, but it's got a nice fascia that allows it to go into the dash and it looks like it's meant to be there. At the moment we're in Apple CarPlay and we can scroll through and access the best bits of our phone. So we can do phone calls, music and maps, and it has digital radio, and we've connected the steering wheel controls so we can do volume up and down. And it puts everything nice and neatly into one place.